The other day I was browsing fall scarf trends for 2022, and lo and behold, I saw it. A crochet project. Apparently large scarves that cover the head are the next big thing for this fall season. Ironically, on the same day, I found myself strolling the aisle of my local Joann and found this. Now don't be fooled by the name. This is indeed one of the softest acrylic yarns I've ever had the pleasure of working with. I mean, if I'm gonna wrap my head in yarn, I definitely want it to be this stuff. To get the ball rolling on this project a little quicker, make 191 foundation single crochet stitches. This way you don't have to make all of those chains and single crochet into them. You can just kind of do it in one step. Now a snood is essentially just a wide ring of fabric that's worn as a hood and doubles as a scarf. So we need to join the two ends together with a slip stitch, making sure it's not twisted, of course. Then chain one, half double crochet in the same stitch, and in each stitch to the end of the round. Easy stuff. We're really just letting the yarn do most of the work here. Now instead of joining here like you might do for some projects, find the first half double crochet of this row. So we have the front and the back loops here, but rotate it a little bit more and you'll see another loop at the back. This is called the back bar. Half double crochet there and do the same for every stitch. As you continue around and around like this, it creates one of my favorite stitch patterns because it's simple and it mimics the look of knitting with very little effort. I'm honestly really obsessed with this color combination, but put your own spin on it. Find your own color palette that you're obsessed with. This yarn is available in a handful of really pretty color options, but feel free to sub with another medium weight yarn that you might already have in your stash. I just absolutely fell in love with this color combo, and that's what inspired the 3 stripes for my snood. I can customize how I wear it too and completely change the look. If you want to incorporate color changes into your snood, here's how to add a new color. When you have just a little bit of the first color remaining, tie a knot around the old color with the new color. Then with a remaining old color tail, tie a knot around the new color. When you pull the two ends, that slides the knots together, and then trim the little tails all the way down. This is called the magic knot, and it's a really great way to add more yarn to your project. But it is just one way. If you don't like this method, by all means do whatever works best for you. Now this is what the transition will look like on this first round. Just a clean jump from one color to the next. And this is what it'll look like on the following round. A little less drastic, but we can still see kind of a step. Since we use the magic knot to add new yarn to this project, finishing is really easy. We have just 2 ends to clean up. This one from the starting edge is pretty important. You'll want to use it to join the bottom half of that row and just sort of tidy things up a bit. When you're ready to get to work on your snood, just click here to see the pattern completely free on my website, or if you'd rather have a PDF copy, I have that option for you down in the description. Happy hooking, and I'll see you in the next one.